Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are create flyer, education flyer using custom shape in Photoshop. Start by setting a soft blue background. Choose the custom shape tool and select the book shape. Place the book shape on the right side. Change its fill to yellow to make it pop. Add a circle shape behind the book. Lower the opacity for a smooth backdrop effect. Insert star shape around the headline area. Reduce their size for a clean look. Add a big rounded triangle in the center for details. Change its fill color to white. Write your course information inside this box. Add an arrow shape position to call the action area. Place your contact info at the bottom. Your education flyer is ready. Thanks for watching.